In design, it's pretty easy to design yourself into a corner. This often happens during the initial stages of design, where you really don't want to get into the detailed technical surfacing, but just making a watertight design. The 3, 5, and more sided surfaces now have a new tool that generates nice-looking surfaces easily. This is the output of last year's n-sided tool. The replacement tool for 2016 is the Multiblend tool. Use this tool to fill in closed gaps which have 3 or more edges. This tool should not be considered a Class A surfacing tool, but provides a great way to build a nice-looking, hard-to-build surface quickly. Start by selecting an edge, and then Accept. For a 5-sided surface like this, I will have to select and hit Accept 5 times, so I typically use the spacebar. I can see that I have enclosed my opening, so I'll click the on-screen Done button. Hitting the spacebar again builds the surface. In this case, a star surface is created, which consists of several 4-sided surface patches. The edges of the surfaces are set to G1 continuity. The seam, or inside edge, is set to G2. Let me use isophotes to look at the flow of the surface. Think for a moment how long this would have taken you to build manually. Wow. I'll use Query Edit to adjust the surface again. I'll change the edge continuity to G2. Clicking on any of the surface edges will cycle between the 3 continuity forms. There are several options for the edge split type. Parameter places the surface boundaries in the middle of the curve. User Defined lets you manually control the position of the edges. Flexure is similar to curvature, but adds additional math properties. Arc length places the boundaries in the middle of the chord. Starpoint Modification lets you choose between automatic, which lets Alias choose the best option, and there's no control for the user. Planar, the user moves the star point defined by the plane of the current star point in the normal direction. Normal, the user moves the star point along a line in the direction of the normal. View, the user moves similar to planar, but the plane is defined by the star point and is perpendicular to the camera view. See how quickly we are able to build a hard-to-build surface. These new super surface tools make the new Alias even more useful for industrial designers and makes your work more productive.